Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here, and if you want to see guys where the throttle body fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all you have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now the throttle body fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2013 Toyota Camry that we have guys right here. Fun fact about this car, you actually guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in one of them, and that's a fuse box that's easy to access, luckily for us. That fuse box is right under the hood. So if you open the hood on your Toyota Camry, this is your engine, this is the car battery, this right here is the fuse box. Open guys that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now this will be towards the windshield side here guys. This is towards the front of your Toyota Camry. We're going to zoom in here a little bit, and the fuse that we'll need to check for the throttle body guys will be located, okay, in this row right here. Starting from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot. That's fuse number 28, 29, 30. Fuse number 30, that's for the electronic throttle control system or the throttle body guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.